Getting your ex back with reverse psychology. Breaking up with someone can be one of the most difficult experiences in life. It can be heartbreaking to think that you'll never be able to get back together with your ex. But there is hope. With the right approach, it is possible to get your ex back. One of the most effective methods for getting your ex back is to use reverse psychology. This technique involves using subtle tactics to get your ex to do what you want. By using reverse psychology, you can get your ex to think that getting back together is their idea, not yours. The key to using reverse psychology effectively is to be subtle. You don't want to be too obvious, or your ex will catch on to what you're doing. Instead, you want to plant the idea in their head and let them come to the conclusion on their own. One way to do this is to start talking about the good times you had together. This will help to remind your ex of the positive aspects of the relationship and will help to make them more open to the idea of getting back together. You can also use reverse psychology by showing your ex that you are doing just fine without them. Showing that you are happy and independent will make them want to be part of your life again. This will make them more likely to take the initiative and suggest getting back together. Another way to use reverse psychology is to be open to the idea of getting back together. You don't want to be too pushy, but you can let your ex know that you are open to the possibility. This will make them more likely to suggest getting back together. Finally, you can use reverse psychology by showing your ex that you are willing to compromise. Showing that you are willing to meet them halfway will make them more likely to consider getting back together. It will also show them that you are willing to put in the effort to make things work. By using these subtle tactics, you can get your ex to think that getting back together is their idea. This is one of the most effective methods for getting your ex back and can help you to rekindle your relationship. It's important to remember that getting your ex back isn't a guarantee. You need to be patient and understanding and be willing to put in the effort to make things work. But if you use the right approach, you can increase your chances of getting back together.